Whether you're a seasoned marksman or a beginner looking to elevate your hunting game, break-barrel air rifles offer a perfect blend of power, accuracy, and versatility. These rifles are not only lightweight and easy to use, but also provide a thrilling shooting experience, making them ideal for various hunting scenarios. In this video, we'll dive into the top contenders, showcasing their unique features and performance that set them apart in the field. But here's the twist. Stay tuned for a random number reveal that will highlight the best product in this lineup. You won't want to miss it. So let's get started. On number 6, Benjamin Trail NP-XL Air Rifle. Looking for a powerful yet quiet air rifle for your small game hunting adventures? The .25 caliber break barrel air rifle is a top choice, producing an impressive 70% less noise compared to others in its class. This is a game changer for those early morning hunts when stealth is key. With a velocity of up to 900 FPS, it's perfect for small game, delivering accuracy and power with every shot. One of the standout features is the smooth cocking mechanism and reduced recoil, making it incredibly easy to handle in the field. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting, this air rifle ensures a comfortable shooting experience. Equipped with the Centerpoint Optics 3.9 x4 TIM precision scope, you can easily adjust for objectives and estimate ranges with confidence. This means you'll spend less time setting up and more time enjoying the thrill of the hunt. Plus, the integrated Picatinny rail offers flexibility for adding accessories to enhance your shooting experience. As someone who appreciates quality gear, the craftsmanship of this rifle shines through with its checkered hardwood stock and rifled steel barrel. It's not just a rifle, it's a reliable companion in the field. If you want to elevate your small game hunting game without compromising on performance or comfort, this air rifle from Benjamin is worth considering. Happy hunting! On number 5, Barra Airguns 1200D Dual. This high-powered rifle utilizes gas piston technology, allowing it to fire 177 caliber pellets up to 1200 FPS and .22 caliber pellets up to 1000 FPS. Talk about a punch! And if you're into accuracy, the dovetail rail mount lets you attach the included 45-32 scope or any compatible accessories for sniper-like precision. The break barrel design ensures top-notch performance. With a steel barrel featuring a fluted polymer sleeve, it's built for ease of use and durability. Plus, the ergonomic grip offers comfort for those long shooting sessions. Trust me, you'll want to shoot all day. What sets the 1200 CI apart is its robust construction. Barra Airguns doesn't cut corners. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just starting, this powerful and versatile pellet gun is sure to impress. If you want a reliable air rifle that delivers in performance and versatility, the 1200 air gun is definitely worth considering. At number 4, Umarex Ruger Explorer. Looking for a reliable air rifle perfect for younger enthusiasts? Check out this youth-tegrated model. Designed with a shorter length of just 37.125 inches and a lightweight frame of 4.45 pounds. Its spring-powered break barrel action makes it easy to handle, ideal for beginners who are just getting into shooting sports. One of the standout features is the durable all-weather ambidextrous synthetic stock. This means it's not only built to withstand the elements, but also comfortable for both right and left-handed users. The rubber recoil pad adds extra comfort, making longer shooting sessions enjoyable. In terms of performance, this rifle shoots 277 caliber pellets at impressive speeds of up to 495 feet per second, providing a great balance of power and accuracy for target practice. The fiber optic sights enhance visibility, ensuring quick target acquisition, while the automatic safety system offers peace of mind for parents and guardians, promoting safe handling. Imagine a weekend spent outdoors, honing shooting skills with family or friends, making memories that last a lifetime. This air rifle could be the perfect companion for those moments, fostering a passion for shooting sports in a safe and engaging way. Overall, this model strikes a great balance between fun, safety, and performance, making it a fantastic choice for young shooters. On number 3, Gamo Swarm Fusion 10X. One standout feature is Gamo's Whisper Fusion technology, which significantly reduces noise, making this one of their quietest air rifles. If stealth is important to you, this model is a great choice. Plus, the gas piston power system, or IGT, replaces traditional springs for smoother operation and enhanced durability. The precision trigger system, known as GAT, Custom Action Trigger, allows you to independently adjust the first and second stages for a customized trigger pull that feels just right. No more fighting against a trigger that doesn't match your shooting style. To top it all off, the recoil-reducing rail minimizes stress on your scope, ensuring you can focus on accuracy without worrying about damaging your equipment. And with a 5-year warranty, you can trust that this rifle is built to last. Included in the package are the air rifle, a Gamo 3.9 scope, the 10X Gen 3i inertia magazine, and a manual, providing everything you need to get started. If you're serious about air rifles, this model deserves a spot on your radar. On number 2, Crosman Optimus CAM22X. Ready for a deep dive into the world of air rifles? The 22 caliber spring-powered break barrel air rifle is a standout choice for both novice and experienced shooters. With a traditional hardwood stock and a rifled steel barrel, this rifle not only looks great, but also operates with 70% less noise, making it perfect for those quiet hunting trips. Now, let's talk performance. This beauty can shoot up to 950 FPS, making it an excellent option for small game hunting. Whether you're after pests in the backyard or game in the field, this air rifle packs enough power to get the job done. Handling is a breeze with its smooth cocking mechanism, which means less recoil and easier shooting. No more struggling with heavy pulls or awkward handling. This rifle is designed for comfort and efficiency. But that's not all. It comes equipped with a Centerpoint 430 3-tom scope, ensuring you hit your target with precision every time. Imagine setting up for a shot, the sun rising, and knowing you have the right equipment to make your hunt successful. In the world of air power adventures, starting with Crosman means stepping into a tradition of quality and performance. If you're looking for a reliable air rifle that combines style, power, and ease of use, this is it. Get ready to take your shooting experience to the next level. Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X. The Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X GN3i air rifle packs some impressive features that make it stand out in the world of air rifles. First up is the 0.22 caliber, perfect for accuracy and power. What's truly exciting is the 10X GN2 quick shot technology, allowing shooters to fire up to 10 pellets without reloading. Imagine the convenience during those intense shooting sessions. Powering this beast is the IGT Mach 1 inert gas technology, featuring a 33 mm cylinder that enhances the shooting experience with a smoother and more consistent shot. The 2-stage independently adjustable CAT, Custom Action Trigger, gives users the ability to tailor their trigger pull, offering a level of customization that serious shooters will appreciate. Safety is paramount, and this air rifle does not disappoint. It includes both a manual safety and an automatic cocking safety system, ensuring a worry-free shooting experience. Picture yourself out in the field, confidently taking aim and firing, knowing you have this powerhouse in your hands. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, the Gamo Swarm Magnum 10X Gen 3i combines technology and reliability, making it a worthy addition to any shooting enthusiast's collection. It's not just an air rifle, it's a game changer in how you experience shooting. Grab yours and experience the thrill for yourself. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best hunting break barrel air rifles. All the links are given in the description, dude. Check them out. Thank you.